when making a smaller amount, you can probably just put the ice in there with your mix and froth it up with the ice in it. Apparently we don't have that much room, so what I'm going to do is we can crush the ice, and the best way to do that would be to take ice cubes, put them in a very clean kitchen towel, and you can pound it with something hard. I'm using actually is a meat pounder, which is flat, but it can be used for any other things, as you can see. But it's heavy, it's easy to hold, and just kind of pound with it. It's perfect for chicken breast. To kind of crack it, you just want to crack the ice. It doesn't have to be completely crushed, just crack this fine.